there, I'm Candace. Do you remember when doctors made house calls? Of course not. You weren't born in the 1920s. It seems not much has changed about visiting the doctor's office since then either. Except maybe there's more paperwork, and the wait times are longer. So with everything going virtual, we thought, why not make preventive care virtual too? You know, the annual health check and lab work you avoid scheduling, or maybe even skip sometime. It's called the Catapult Virtual Checkup. It's easy, it's personal, it's private. You can do it from home or anywhere else for that matter. It's a real clinical checkup, and you don't have to drive somewhere to sit in a waiting room with everyone else. We'll send a kit with everything you'll need to collect a couple of drops of blood and a digital blood pressure monitor that you get to keep. There are simple step-by-step instructions and a link to a how-to video starring someone you may already enjoy watching. You'll also have a video chat with one of our nurse practitioners, like this. Hi, Amanda.
Hi there.
They'll take you through your personal health report and work with you to create an action plan. And let me tell you, the health report is a game changer. Your results are shared in an easy-to-understand graphical way. At last, all of those numbers make some sense. It's so cool. You can even download the report, save it to track your progress, and share it with your primary care physician. And that's it. The whole process takes less than half an hour. It's a much easier and more innovative approach to preventive care. Staying connected to your health has never been more important, and a virtual checkup makes it easier than ever.